The second question is about essay writing. In this section, we are asked to write an essay. So write an essay of 200 words on the topic below. So as a head teacher, discuss 2 measures you will put in place to improve academic work in your school. Now, every piece of essay that is judged to be good must have 4 cardinal factors that are used to judge it. Otherwise, the writing will fall flat regardless of its intended purpose. Therefore, let's look at these areas that normally the examiners would want to see in your essay. And these areas will guide us on how to write our essay and meet the requirements of NTC. The cardinal factors or the areas of a good essay include 1. Expression. This is how you project your writing for the world to see, read and evaluate. So normally the examiner will check the expression of your writing. This is the first factor that attracts your audience to your writing. You may have heard the saying that you must write to express and not impress. To achieve a good expression in your essay, 1. You must use words to connect and create vivid images in your essay. 2. You must use powerful words and emotional triggers. 3. You must also eliminate boring adverbs and dangling modifiers as much as you can. And then 4. Use active verbs instead of helping verbs or adjectives. So active verbs make your writing to be more alive and dynamic. Then finally, you should also use active voice rather than passive voice. So expression is very important to your essay, and you must ensure that you put measures in place to express your essay in a vivid manner. Another factor that you need to have in your essay is content. Content is the factor that separates beginner writers from the masters. Content is the substance and the essence of your writing. In short, content is the heartbeat of any great writing. You have heard of the saying that content is king. The story is the same everywhere. Content is the quality of the material you put out. This has to do with the key benefits the readers will extract from your writing to solve their problems or achieve their goals. So in this particular essay, we are to write on points, or we are to give measures that will put in place to improve academic performance in a school. Therefore, this is going to be the heading on which our content is going to be hung on. Now, the next point or the next factor of a good essay is organization. This is one of the most difficult aspects of writing. How to organize and arrange your thoughts. Organization is a product of coherence and consistency. How does your thought flow logically? That's what we are looking at here. One idea must lead and link to the next. Therefore, you have to try to plan your writing. Now, to achieve a very good organization in your essay, 1. You must outline the key point that you'll be using to develop your point. 2. Let each paragraph contain a theme or one main idea. The formatting is a very important part of your organization. Therefore, ensure that your headings, paragraph, bullets, list and typography appeal for your readers. Any good content and expression can fall flat without good formatting. Therefore, it is a very key part of your organization. The fourth and final aspect of a good essay is mechanical accuracy. Mechanical accuracy is actually a fancy term of saying that your writing should be free of errors. Mechanical accuracy, which is also known as technical accuracy, has to do with your typographical errors, spelling, punctuation, and syntax. You have to make sure you don't have spelling mistakes in your writing. You have to make sure you don't have errors. These are the areas that the examiners will check in your essay. You have to make sure the expression is there, the content is there, organization, and the mechanical accuracy. The essay is also to be in a word limit, so 200 words, and you have to make sure you exhaust in that 200 words. You have to have your 2 measures there, and that should show the expression, content, and organization. Alright, so this is all that I have for you in this particular video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe, share our content. If you have a comment, leave it in the comment section. We are sure to attend to your comment as soon as possible. This is all that I have for you in this particular video. I'll see you in our next video.